How to remove Meta AI button from your WhatsApp. So first thing first, let's open the App Store or Play Store from your mobile phone, and once you open it, you will be able to see the search bar at the very top. So let's tap and search the WhatsApp. Now once you do that, you can see there is WhatsApp Messenger and another one is WhatsApp Business. So make sure to uninstall the WhatsApp Messenger from your device and just reinstall the another app, which is WhatsApp Business, and make sure it is developed by WhatsApp Inc. And don't forget, you will get the download option at the right side. So just tap on there, and once your download gets complete, you will be able to disable your Meta AI successfully. So if you want to see a demo, then simply go to the WhatsApp Business, and now you can see if I tap, it's not working. So yeah, basically this is how, and this is the process to turn off your Meta AI button from WhatsApp. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.